see, Ezra. This cake is our masterpiece.
Got it, Kai. Just don't look down.
Let's see how steady you are now.
Barrels! Seriously, Mika?
Hold tight, Ezra. I've got this.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
In the face of chaos, teamwork becomes the key to victory.
Wait, this wasn't part of the plan!
Looks like you are stuck in your own trap, Mika.
We made it! And the cake's still perfect.
Okay, I'll admit it. You two make a great team.